Your favorite monkey is going bananas with all new TV adventures on DVD. Share these important moments in your child's life with Curious George over and over again, like making new friends, going back to school, celebrating a birthday, special bedtime moments.
Good night, George.
Curious George. Look for them all on DVD.
Go ahead, son. Take a look.
Whoa.
Welcome to the Easter Factory. This is where we make all the candy and eggs that I deliver to the children of the world.
This is so cool.
Someday, this will all be yours. E.B.! You're about to be crowned the Easter Bunny. Shouldn't you be rehearsing your speech?
Look, Dad, I want to drum in a band. I want to see the world.
Now listen to me. You need to get it together, get rid of these drums, and get your priorities straight.
My dad's right. I do need to get my act together. In Hollywood.
I came to dance.
All great artists suffer before they become famous. That lady wrote Harry Potter in a ditch. Excuse me. I'm E.B. And you are?
Fred.
No! Please don't go. I'll behave. I'm special. I mean, I'm really special. See?
Jelly beans?
No way. Oh, yes, Fred. I am the Easter Bunny.
Hop in.
On April 1st,
My son ran away?
The sun is very difficult to replace, but not impossible.
What the? What's that on your head?
What? Oh, my new earmuffs?
We need to find E.B. Assemble the pink berets at once.
the hunt is on.
You said you guys were so scary, but you're really adorable. Uh-oh.
The plot has hatched.
Carlos, what are you up to?
It's called a coup d'etat, which is a French for coup d'etat.
And the battle for Easter.
This is an extreme emotions.
We the bosses now.
We the bosses. We the bosses.
Begins.
I'm back.
Easy. Ow!
Leave this to me.
Hey! E.B.!
Oh, Carlos, can I touch the egg of destiny, please? Ow!
There, you touched it.
That was harsh.
Hop.
It ends here.
The more sensitive chicks in the room may want to avert their eyes.
Today's home entertainment experience is evolving to fit your lifestyle.
He said not to panic. He said not to panic.
Now, you have options to watch your favorite movies any way and anywhere you want.
I like DVD because I can reinvent date night.
You set up whatever you need to set up on your end. I'm bringing them in.
I buy Blu-ray because the high-def picture and sound is awesome. And it comes with digital copy. I just put the bonus disc into my computer and transfer the movie to my favorite device.
And Blu-ray has tons of cool features, like the Pocket Blue app. I can download the bonus features to my phone and watch them anywhere I go.
That's how you can tell. I love to buy movies straight off the internet because I can entertain my kids while running errands.
Yeah, downloading is great because I can check out my favorite movies whenever and wherever I want. Anyway and anywhere. Watching movies has never been easier. On DVD, Blu-ray with digital copy, and digital download. Find out more at anywhereforyou.com.
You've got your HD TV. Now experience a new way of watching movies. As your favorite films come to life with Blu-ray. Rediscover magical worlds. and get closer to your favorite characters. With 5 times better picture quality than DVD. Crystal clear sound. And bonus features you can access without leaving the movie. You can still play all your DVDs in a Blu-ray player. But Blu-ray discs are even more durable. Perfect for you to relive your favorite family films again and again in stunning HD. The time has come. Join the Blu-ray revolution and bring the ultimate high-def experience home to your family today.
Can you keep a secret?
Now on DVD, Barbie lets you in on a secret in her all-new movie, Barbie, A Fairy Secret.
Tracy Klinger here at the premiere of Barbie's latest movie. Pretty cool, right? There he is, princess.
Hey!
Ken!
When Ken is flown away to a secret world, Barbie discovers a big secret.
Carrie and I are fairies. You see us all the time. You just don't realize it because we keep our wings hidden.
Now she'll need a little help.
We just have to work together.
And a lot of magic.
We're flying!
To bring him back.
Ready? Let's do it!
Come along on an adventure.
A magic land, fairies living in the human world, horses with wings.
And discover the power of friendship.
You think we can be friends? I think we are friends. This has been the most incredible experience of my life.
Barbie, A Fairy Secret. An all-new movie. Now on DVD.
Do you know what? Sunlight travels 93 million miles to ripen and dry the fruits we need to grow strong and healthy bodies. I thought you'd be curious about that. Sunmade proudly supports PBS Kids.
Chuck E. Cheese's, proud supporter of PBS Kids, helping kids feel the satisfaction of being in action. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
Rainforest Cafe, proud sponsor of PBS Kids, reminding you that reading and creative thinking are great ways to let your imagination run wild.
Stay tuned after the feature for a special message. And now, our feature presentation.